Can you imagine a world where drones deliver your morning coffee, or a future where your computer harnesses the mysterious power of qubits to solve complex problems in seconds? Sounds like a dream, right? Welcome to 2024, where innovation isn't just a dream, but a reality. Today, we're jumping deep into the most innovative tech startups of this year, revealing the brilliance that's reshaping our tomorrow. Buckle up, because the future is looking brighter than ever. Number 1. droneBrew. Revolutionizing morning rituals. Remember the hassle of standing in seemingly endless coffee lines, impatiently awaiting that much-needed caffeine kick? Well, 2024 bids goodbye to that. Enter droneBrew, a groundbreaking innovation that brings your favorite morning brew directly to your balcony, defying conventional delivery methods. By masterfully integrating cutting-edge AI technology with highly accurate drone navigation, droneBrew promises not just timely but also piping hot deliveries. No more cold coffee disappointments or wasted minutes in queues. With a blend of modern tech and an understanding of coffee lovers' true desires, droneBrew seamlessly reshapes our coffee fetching experiences. So the next time you think of your morning caffeine ritual, imagine a drone swooping in with your perfect cup. The future of coffee is airborne, all thanks to droneBrew. Number 2. Fiddler Labs. Revolutionizing explainable AI for business. Meet Fiddler Labs, a trailblazing entity championing the cause of explainable AI. Their unique expertise lies in designing sophisticated machine learning models, but with a twist. These models are transparent and offer clear insights into their predictions and decisions. In today's era, while AI continues to mold the business landscape, the genuine challenge lies in truly understanding and confiding in the outcomes AI systems produce. That's where explainable AI comes into play. It's not just about the AI making decisions. It's about understanding the how and why behind those decisions. Fiddler Labs is on a mission to demystify AI. They're crafting innovative techniques and tools that shed light on AI's thought processes. Such transparency not only brings clarity, but also helps businesses spot and rectify biases. This ensures decision-making is not only efficient, but also equitable and accountable. Thanks to Fiddler Labs' pioneering solutions, companies are now not just harnessing the power of machine learning, but are also ensuring it aligns with ethical standards, steering clear of unforeseen pitfalls. Number 3. Built Robotics. Transforming construction with autonomous machine. The construction industry is going through a big change because of autonomous machines and vehicles. One company that's making a difference is Built Robotics. They are leading the way in bringing the latest technology to the construction industry, allowing machines to work on their own. Built Robotics is very good at creating and using machines that work well on construction sites. They are using advanced robotics, artificial intelligence, and machine learning to transform the way construction projects are done. These autonomous machines can do many different jobs, like digging and pouring concrete, without needing manual labor in dangerous environments. These intelligent robots are equipped with special sensors that help them move around difficult construction sites and keep everyone safe. Built Robotics uses artificial intelligence to make their autonomous vehicles really smart by making them make quick decisions and handle changes easily. These robots are good at doing things right and fast, and they don't make mistakes like humans, which often occur in high-pressure situations. Number 4. Mighty Buildings. 3D printing sustainable homes and buildings. Mighty Buildings isn't just reimagining the way we construct homes and edifices. They're spearheading an exciting era with their innovative 3D printing technology. Their core ethos revolves around sustainability, blending cutting-edge innovation with a deep respect for the environment. Dive a little deeper and you'll see that Mighty Buildings is changing the architectural game. They methodically arrange materials with remarkable precision using 3D printing to create strong, long-lasting constructions. This approach is not only groundbreaking, but it also promotes energy conservation and reduces resource waste. But that's not all. The ripple effects of this technology go beyond aesthetics and efficiency. It champions eco-friendly practices and paves the way for affordable housing solutions. These aren't just structures, they're optimized, energy-efficient sanctuaries, all thanks to the advancements 3D printing brings to the table. It's the future, and Mighty Buildings is leading the charge. Number 5. A look at Neur.on. 2024 has seen many new tech companies, but Neur.on from Switzerland is one of the most exciting. They have made a special tool that helps people in law and finance easily translate things using AI or computer brains. What makes Neur.on really special this year? They work with both lawyers who know the language well and tech experts who understand AI. Together, they make sure translations are just right for law and finance jobs. Their computer brain, or AI, learns from each job it does, so every time someone uses it, it gets even better at translating. This makes Neur.on very useful and different from others. With more people across the world working together, especially in law and finance, having a tool like Neur.on is very important. That's why many people think they will be one of the top tech companies in 2024. Before we unveil more startups that are revolutionizing 2024, let's take a quick pause. If you're enjoying our content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our tech-savvy community. Number 6. PunchPose, revolutionizing fitness with AI. Emerging from the vibrant tech scene of the UK in 2023, PunchPose has introduced a game-changing movement intelligence platform, setting a new standard in the world of fitness. Merging cutting-edge AI with the omnipresence of smart displays, the company provides users with access to individualized and group workouts around the clock, ensuring that fitness enthusiasts never miss out on their exercise routines, regardless of their schedules. One of the highlights setting PunchPose apart in 2024 is its avant-garde use of embedded cameras. These cameras, coupled with the company's unique AI technology, meticulously monitor and analyze users' workout forms. This ensures that not only are participants engaged in physical activity, but they're also doing it right, minimizing the risk of injury and maximizing workout benefits. Imagine the ease of having a personal trainer at your beck and call, without the hefty price tag and time constraints. That's PunchPose for you. Their focus on correct form brings the expertise of a professional trainer straight into users' living rooms. With the health and fitness industry growing rapidly, PunchPose's commitment to affordable, accessible, and effective workouts positions it as a trailblazer, offering an innovative solution for the modern fitness enthusiast. Number 7. Moonlight AI, pioneering personalized medicine through genomics. In 2022, a company called Moonlight AI started in Switzerland. By 2024, it will be doing something very important in the world of medicine. They help people get to know their own body's special code called Genomics. This is really important for people who are sick, especially those with cancer. Why? Because every person's body is different. Knowing this special code can help doctors choose the best medicine for them. Moonlight AI believes that everyone, no matter where they live, should be able to get this information. They think it's a big part of picking the right treatment for sick people. So in a world where we have many new tech companies in 2024, Moonlight AI is special. They are not just about new gadgets or apps. They are about helping people get better and live healthy lives. They are showing us a new way to think about medicine and health. Zapata Computing, quantum computing for real-world applications. In the buzzing landscape of 2024's innovative startups, Zapata Computing shines brightly as a beacon in quantum computing. This isn't just another tech company. Zapata has successfully crafted platforms that harness the promise of quantum technology, turning it into practical solutions for real-world challenges. While there's a growing interest in quantum computing across the globe, Zapata stands out by making quantum tech not just interesting, but also incredibly useful. Their tools, so the most advanced in 2024, are helping businesses and researchers unlock potential that was once deemed unreachable. Most computers today use bits, but the secret sauce for quantum computers is something called qubits. These qubits can multitask in ways that ordinary bits can't even dream of. It's like equipping computers with super speedy gears to race through problems. But what sets Zapata apart in the 2024 startup scene is its vision beyond just technology. They're forging partnerships with giants in finance, material science, and medicine. The goal? To leverage quantum computing for tangible change. From streamlining supply chains to pioneering new medical breakthroughs, Zapata Computing is not just riding the quantum wave. They're steering it, making a significant impact on crucial sectors of our society. There you have it, the startups making waves in 2024. As technology propels forward, it's startups like these that make the journey exhilarating. Who knows what 2025 will bring? One thing's for sure, the future is packed with promise. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay curious and stay innovative.